Hello guys! Good afternoon. So right now, I'm in my car going to my OB-GYN appointment. So I had to be done this one every year. And right now I'm adjusting my chair. Sorry, I have a candy in my mouth. Yeah, it's so hot. I didn't turn on my car yet. It says 86 degree. So yan. Wow, that way too loud. The air conditioner. Yan. My husband was using, that's why the chair is so low. And also I had to adjust everything because he's pretty tall. And of course I'm short. So I just make sure my side mirror while doing it. I'll make sure that everything is ready. My appointment is 2:30, so right now it's 2:16. So I'm gonna have to drive 5 minutes then. So I see you all guys later because I have to concentrate driving because a lot of people working their yard. So yeah, they're still working out there guys to put the stuff together at that trailer. I don't know if you can see there, and then few stuff here. I know a lot of stuff at the back, but those are going to the shop, so we just leave there. We don't lately go into the shop because it's really hot, and then we don't have yet electric. Yan. So but he already contact some guys to do the electric, but we don't know how much the price. Oh, I see something, that stuff at the back. We have extra tire in case. And then so yung asawa ko nasa likod kasi pinipick up namin yung order para sa garage. So ang init sobra sa labas. So nandito lang ako kasi kailangan magmask. May mask naman ako dito pero dito lang ako sa loob. Sila lang yung mga lalaki doon. Anyway, dito ko kayo ilagay. Gusto ko mag-inom ng tubig kasi inuha ako. At the same time natatakot ako kasi baka ako gusto magpunta ng bathroom. Meron pa kaming another 2 hours. Open natin. Mag-sip lang ako kasi sobrang dry yung throat ko. Parang uubuhin ako. Mga next week yata sila gawin to finishing up the building, but I only know the guy is still working for the ceiling and the wall inside, so more insulation. That's what only I know, kasi wala akong alam tungkol sa sa shop. So I'm very excited na matapos. And then anyway, marami pa rin gawin, pero at least na may shop kami in case na may lugar na kami na pupuntahan. lemongrass. Then I think peas and pepino, I think that one. Then pepper and ampalaya, the bitter melon. So yan, bigyan ng friend ko. So guys, it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. So it's a little bit hot right now. So anyway, I'm gonna have to fold that weeds out from there. Dito. At saka doon. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ganito siya guys. Ang ingay mo naman. Yan. Dito siya mabasa. Ang dami pala nito. Ang hahaba na. Kasi ngayon hindi pa siya mainit dito. Mamaya mainit na. So dito ako mag-start. Gagamitin ko to siya. Ito. Then gloves. And then this one. Hey, I saw this one look like an onion.
Yeah.
No, I think it's
a bulb for a flower, I think.
Yeah.
That's what you planted for all of these. These.
Yeah.
They all have bulbs. It's a flower.
Thank you, honey.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's 4 bags of it there.
I think we need some
Did
more.
that get hit with the lawnmower?
Huh? I don't know. I didn't hit them though.
Somebody did with the lawnmower.
I didn't hit them though. But it was the one at the back.
Yeah, I'll throw it away.
It's not working right now.
I doubt it after it got hit with the lawnmower now.